guys? I'm Secret Boss 1 here. Today we're probably gonna do an eating challenge, and he's
can I delete this?
He's starting his phone up. Yeah.
No. This is from the other part. It's still
scroll up. Does it say? Let's see. Alright, go down. Yep. Let's delete him. I pranked him. Yep.
So can I delete that one?
Yeah, you can delete it.
No, the one that I did inside that I was saying like this. I'm still adding on.
Yeah.
No, that's mine.
No, that's yours.
No, it's not. I was drinking it.
Sorry, but just like this.
How do I still?
Alright, so his phone is probably going to be up against the wall.
Hey guys, what's up?
He's doing his job.
I
just want to eat it so bad.
I should put my phone.
Alright.
No, face yours your way. And then when we're done, we have to put our hands up. So you better get your drink. So when we're done, guys, we have to like hurry up and put our hands up. And whoever gets it first, well, technically wins.
Yep.
So
let's get this going. I have 3. Ready? 3.
Hold on, I need to see. Oh
All right.
my gosh, I hate this feeling.
Like you're nervous.